Hey guys, it's Shamsa and welcome back to my little kitchen from my mum's house. Today's recipe is a simple, delicious, easy recipe for you which can be served as breakfast, lunch or dinner. I'm going to show you how to make masala omelette my way. Now, before I run through what you need, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that bell notification on for more easy recipes like these, and also make sure you give it a thumbs up if you found the video helpful. So let's start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need is as follows. Please remember that the quantities of all these ingredients will be in the description box for your ease. I've got here 4 eggs. I'm using coconut oil today. You can use butter, you can use another oil of your choice, that is entirely up to you. I've got here 1 red onion, which I've finely sliced. You can dice this as well. I've got fresh coriander chopped up. I've got a small vine tomato, which I've de-seeded and roughly chopped up. And I've got here 2 green chillies, which are of medium heat. You can add more or less, that's according to your own preference. And I've got a few other spices here. I've got salt, which is a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm using Himalayan salt. You can use normal salt if you wish. I've got the same of ground black pepper and the same of regular chili powder. So let's start cooking. Pro tip here, guys, if anyone's wondering why we have foil on the range, the reason for that is we want to keep our hobs nice and tidy. And I think if you've seen some videos on YouTube where you've seen people have this, it's a trick to keep your hob nice and clean. And my sister always has it on. And since I'm videoing at mum's, she insists that I keep it on. So when it gets dirty, we just remove the foil and place it with a new one. And that's the reason why it's on. But yeah, if anyone just asks why we've got this on, I thought I'd mention this. Now, going back to this, we're going to prepare our eggs first of all and just set them aside. So I've got my eggs here. I'm going to add the spices straight in like that. And I've got my fresh coriander, and we're going to add a good pinch in there and then just whisk that. There we are. So that is now ready to use. So we're just going to set that aside. Right, I've got my pan on the hob and the heat setting is currently on a low heat setting. It is a gas hob, by the way, that I'm using and not the ceramic one that I usually use at home on my videos. And I'm going in with around a tablespoon, heaped tablespoon of coconut oil straight in. Just let that melt and heat up. And now we're going to add the onions and we're going to fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Until they're slightly translucent. We don't want much colour on these. Right, this is how your onions should be looking, slightly translucent, a little soft. And now we can add the chillies in at this stage. And just give them a minute or so. And now we're going to add the tomatoes in and just give them around a minute or 2 as well. Right, this is now ready. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn off my hob, and you can do this 2 ways. You can add the whisked egg straight into this, or how I do this, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, right, so how I like to do this is just take the prepared onions and tomatoes with the chilies and add them into the bowl where we whisk the eggs, like that. And then just whisk that with the eggs and then add them back into the pan. Right, okay, so I've got the pan back on the hob. I've got it on a low heat setting, which is a gas heat setting for my hob. And I'm just gonna gently add this back into the pan again. Make sure you scrape off all that goodness. And now what you want to do is let that cook on low heat, like that. And just pop a lid over and let that cook away for approximately 3 to 4 minutes until the egg on the top sets. I'm going to show you how it looks. Just look at that beautiful omelette. I'm not going to try and flip this because I guaranteed will break this on camera. So I'm going to use the easy method. I'm going to transfer this to a plate and then flip it over and cook it on the other side. Okay. Just look at that. And there we are. Right, just put it back onto the hob again and just cook it for a minute or 2 and the masala omelette will be perfectly cooked. Right, okay, so I'm just going to turn the omelette over just to check to see if it's done, and it should be. And there you have it, just turn the hob off. And there is the masala omelette all ready for you guys. Enjoy it with parathas, naans, pittas, toasted bread, roti. You can have this with anything that you fancy.